Ms Blinga, you know me not gonna, Ms Blinga, you know me not gonna argue with Ms Blinga. Me not gonna argue with Ms Blinga, because you come like you mix up in Ms Blinga. Me and your blood clot talk about Rosealee from Friday. And you come back on the argument, go on the blood clot argument with Rosealee again, but I'm sure. Me bomba clot with Rosealee, Ms Blinga. Ms Blinga, you're so wicked and I'm mix up people. Me mix up Ms Blinga. And that the people say if you come on TikTok and you fucking mix up Ms Blinga. You fucking blood clot, bomba rattler, mix up Blinga. If you come over TikTok, Ms Blinga, if you come over bomber clot, big TikTok, Ms Blinga, if you come over TikTok, Ms Blinga, Rosealee shut out your blood clot. When you go for number one, Rosealee breaks the blood clot. I ain't even wrote that people in life with Rosealee, I bring up my blood clot, Ms Blinga, stop it. And that's when you're not going to say about the blood clot England. Yeah? And I'm make you go to England, you're too weak the blood clot, Ms Blinga. Me and you don't talk Friday, Ms Blinga. And you over the life, sit up on Rosealee life, and I bring me down to blood clot, Ms Blinga. It's a fucking blood clot mixed up. If you come and take that big pussy woman, you're too wicked the blood clot, Blinga. And I'm not going to bomber clot England. And you mix up, Blinga. I Rosealee say your blood clot mix up big woman, long time blood clot mix up, Blinga. You're too bomber clot mix up, girl. Blood clot, you have to mix up, girl. The blood clot, but if you go in a Blinga, everybody tell you your blood clot, you want to up on that shit and your blood clot face, girl. You have to blood clot mix up. Get over your pussy like a look at word though. And leave me alone, man. Bomber clot, if you leave me a blood clot alone, drunk woman, and girlfriend there. I'm done with them now, man. To blood clot mix up. You want the big stinking pussy Rosealee. We're big and stinking a blood clot. Go wash out that stinking hole and left me alone. Bomber clot, you know. You're too mix up, Blinga. Blinga, you're too mix up. The bad not like you on TikTok. The people that eat you, Blinga. Blinga, the people that eat you on TikTok. Blinga, the people that eat you. Them eat you. That's good. Them eat you, girl. Them eat you. Them eat you. You know, and that's why TikTok police left you in one out. The man want you. The man near me out and left your blood clot alone, Blinga. The man want you. The man left your blood clot. And the man friend say you mix up TikTok, woman, you mix up the blood clot. If you come over TikTok, people have to take you off of TikTok to blood clot. If you go, Blinga, you come serve everybody on TikTok. Nobody not like you, Blinga. Nobody not like you on this blood clot. Let me eat you. Let me eat you, girl. Let me eat you. You see nobody never want you go on a blood clot Inga. Let me eat you. Let me eat you. You're too blood clot mix up. Blinga, you're too bomber clot mix up, girl. I call me blood clot on TikTok. And Rosealee in your blood clot. Rosealee there, I beg stops and roses and give. And you there, oh, Blinga, Rosealee, I'm a fan of, you know, Derrick. Move your bomber clot, you never know Rosealee. I fuck with people. Who wants a man, Rosealee, and people that cut over there for man, you know. Drunk, you, dog shit.